Intelligent Voice Control Replacement Tutorial. Get a screwdriver and wrap it in a cloth to avoid scratching the case. Slowly pry up against one corner of the horn cover right. After loosening, the entire horn cover can be broken apart by hand. Unplug the Smart Voice Control board and replace the new Smart Voice Control component on it. First, put the car card into the mother seat inside a total of 3. Align the 3 car buttons with the 3 holes and press down hard. In this way, the intelligent voice control component is replaced.